I am able to send bulk offer mails to all my leads which I have captured from my website form, and this was possible only because of Pabbly's automation. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto send bulk offers automatically to all the leads which we have captured from our website form using SendGrid. And for this, I'm simply going to create integration between a landing page form or website form and SendGrid. And whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my website form, I'm automatically going to send them the mail. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the bulk product emails to all the leads which we have captured from the landing page form. And for this, I have created this workflow using Pabbly Connect. I have simply built the connection between Webbook by Pabbly and SendGrid. Now we are going to check this one. So I'm going to receive a mail as soon as I generate a lead, but I'm not going to receive any mail after that. So I'm going to generate this lead. For that, I'm going to submit a form on my landing page form. I'm going to enter some dummy details. So I'm going to enter the name as latest lead, the email address as latest@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as. I'm going to click on this submit now, and as soon as the form submission is done, I'm going to receive a mail. I'm going to open my mailbox and check whether I have received one mail there or not. And here it is. You can see that just 0 minutes ago I have received this mail. Hi latest lead, thank you for showing interest in Pabbly, our all-in-one productivity and project management tool. We'd love to invite you to try our exclusive product demo and how it can transform the way your team works. So I have attached the booking link also. Clicking on this link, they will be redirected towards this booking page, and this is the mail. So I have just received one mail because I have added delay to send the rest of the mails. And now if you want to learn how we can also create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the bulk product demo email to all the leads which we have captured from landing page form. And for this, we are simply going to create integration between our landing page form and SendGrid using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly Community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster, and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as send bulk product demo offer emails automatically using SendGrid for landing page form leads. And now I need to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. Now as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send the bulk product demo email to all the leads which I have captured from my landing page form, which means whenever I'm going to capture a new lead, I am automatically going to send them the mail, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. So here in my trigger application, I'll take Webbook by Pabbly. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as Cache Webbook and then click on Connect. Now I need to make connection between my landing page form and the Pabbly Connect, for which a webbook URL is provided to me, and this webbook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my landing page form with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. To do that, I'm going to open my landing page forms. So this is my website form, and now I'm going to do the connection. For that, I will be opening the code which I have created for this form. So I have opened that in Notepad. So this is my code, and if I scroll down, I can see this fetch, and I have added a dummy webhook URL which I'm going to remove from here. I'm going to go back towards my workflow. I simply need to copy this webhook URL and paste it to my Notepad. So over here, from where we have removed that demo webhook URL, I'm going to paste the webhook URL which I was provided in my workflow. After doing so, I have to click on this file, go towards this save, and here the changes are saved successfully. We have added the webhook URL which we were provided in our workflow to this particular form code. And now I'm going to open my form. I'm going to refresh that form and do a form submission. If I capture the response in my workflow, then this means the setup which we have created over here is working fine. So I'm going to refresh this once, and from here I'm going to enter some dummy details. So here my name is current user, then my email address is current@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as. I'm going to click on this submit now, and here the form submission has been done. Now I should have captured the response in my workflow. I'm going to open my workflow, and here once again ago I have received the response. The phone number is this, name is current user, and the email address is current@pabblytudes.com. Here, as soon as I've done the form submission, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and my landing page form. That is working fine. Whenever I'm going to capture a new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send them the email. So I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for SendGrid. In my action event, I'm going to select it as send an email and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. So following the help desk given below, I'm going to enter this token. And to do that, I'm going to open my SendGrid account. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on the settings and go towards the API keys. To create a new API key, I simply need to click on this create API key. First, I have to name this key. So let's say the name is landing page form. And then I'm going to select the full access and then click on this create and view. A new API token is provided to me, which I'm going to copy and simply paste that over here, and then I'm going to click on this save, and you will see SendGrid will be connected to Pabbly Connect. And now I need to enter all these details. So the first one is send to email. Now I'm sending the email to this particular lead which I have captured from my landing page form. So I'm not going to enter this email address like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from this webbook by Pabbly. When I click on this field, I can see this. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. And by clicking on this, I have mapped that. Experience the future of productivity with Pabbly. Book your demo today, and then the from email address. Now to get this from email address, I'm going to open my SendGrid account. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on the marketings and then go towards the senders. Over here, I will be provided with the from email address, which I'm going to copy and paste it to my Pabbly Connect field. Now I'm going to enter this from name. So I'm going to enter my from name as Pabbly, and then I'm going to enter the reply to email. So I am replying to the lead which I have captured from my landing page, which is this one, current@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to enter the content value now. I'm going to select the content type as plain text. If you are entering the HTML contact, please make sure that you enter the content type as HTML. I'm going to write the content value as. So I have entered my content value as hi, thank you for showing interest in Pabbly, our all-in-one productivity and project management tool. We'd love to invite you to try our exclusive product demo and see how it transformed the way your team works. Special offer, book your demo today and unlock 30-day free trial with full access to all premium features. Book my demo. I have attached a dummy link, and then best regards Pabbly. To create a personalized mail, I'm going to map the name of this person or the lead which I have captured from the landing page form, which is this one. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After adding all these details, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here I have received the response and this response is a positive one. I'm going to open my mailbox and check whether I have received an email there or not. So here it is, just 0 minutes ago I have received this mail. The subject was experience the future of productivity with Pabbly, book your demo today. Hi current user. So it is sent by this Pabbly to this current user. Thank you for showing interest in Pabbly, our all-in-one productivity and project management tool. This is the same exact mail which we have created. We have added a dummy link and it will redirect me towards that link. So here we have sent the first mail. Now we want to send the bulk emails. So what we can do, we can add the delay step and then keep sending the emails for different product demo offers. So I'm going to add just one delay. You can add as many as delays as you want. I'm going to click on this add new action step and in my action application I'm going to search for delay by Pabbly and I'm going to select the event as add time delay and then click on connect. I'm going to delay for until or delay after queue. I'm going to select it as delay for days. So I will be sending mails every day. You can do this too. You can keep adding the delay and send the mail every day after 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. So I'm going to enter the delay value as 1. I'm going to click on save and send test request and here I have received the response delayed for 1 day. I'm going to click on this add new action step and in my action application I'll search for SendGrid again. In my action event, I'm going to select it as send an email and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. As I've already now have an existing connection, I'm going to click on the save and then I'm going to follow the same process. I'm going to enter or map the send to email address as current@pabblytudes.com, then the subject as this, don't miss out free demo plus 20% discount on Pabbly. From email address will be the same which I have copied from SendGrid. Then the from name will be Pabbly. Then the reply to email will be that current@pabblytudes.com and the message will be. So here I have entered the email content as hi, I'm going to create a personalized mail. So I'm going to map the name of the user. Thank you for your interest in Pabbly, the all-in-one productivity and project management tool. We'd love to invite you to exclusive product demo to see how Pabbly can streamline your workflow and help your team achieve more. The special offer, book demo, don't miss the opportunity. Best regards, Pabbly. I'm simply going to click on save and send test request and here I've received the response. This response is a positive one. I'm going to open my mailbox and check whether I have received the same mail there or not. And here it is. You can see just 0 minutes ago I have received this mail by Pabbly to this current user. It is sent to this current user and this is the same exact mail. If I click on this link, I will be redirected towards the booking page. So in the real time, I'm not going to send all these mails one by one. It is just that I have just executed the workflow and received that mail also in my mailbox. But in the real time, I have added a delay. So it will be sent after 1 day. And as I've told you, you can add as many as delays as you want and keep sending the mail. So this is how we have created this integration between Webbook by Pabbly, SendGrid using Pabbly Connect. I've attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting videos. If you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.